In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a banner on Squarespace in just 5 minutes. Whether you're rebranding, updating your site, or simply prefer a cleaner look, removing a banner can instantly change the feel of your page. Let's dive into the steps to achieve this in a snap. First up, head over to the Squarespace website. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're there, you'll need to log in to access your site's backend, where you can make all sorts of customizations, including removing banners. To log in, click on the login button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Since Squarespace offers a seamless integration with Google, you can proceed by clicking Continue with Google. This feature is quite handy as it saves you from remembering yet another password. Next, choose your Google account from the list provided. Make sure it's the one associated with your Squarespace site to avoid any confusion. Once logged in, navigate to your website's dashboard. You can access this directly by clicking on the link provided or by selecting your site from the Squarespace homepage once logged in. Your website's dashboard is the control room for your site, offering access to various settings and features. Now, let's get to the task at hand. Go to the edit mode by clicking on the site editor. This mode allows you to make live changes to your site, including adding or removing elements like banners. To remove your banner, you'll first need to click on it, hover over the banner area, and you should see it become highlighted or a specific banner option appear, indicating that you can interact with this element. Look for the trash can icon, which signifies deletion. It's typically located at the corner of the banner or in a menu that appears when you select the banner. Clicking on this icon will remove the banner from your page. However, remember, this action might be irreversible, so make sure you're ready to say goodbye to your banner. After clicking the trash can icon, you must confirm your action. Save the change by clicking on the Save button. This step is crucial as it ensures your changes are not lost. You might have to click Save once more to fully secure your updates, ensuring they apply to your live site. And that's it. You've successfully removed the banner from your Squarespace site, and you did it all in just about 5 minutes. With your site looking exactly how you want it to, you're all set to impress your visitors with your site's new look. Remember, Squarespace is all about giving you the flexibility to design a site that truly represents you or your business. Removing a banner is just one of the many customizations you can make. Whether you're updating your site for a fresh look or improving its functionality, Squarespace makes it straightforward and user-friendly. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. I hope you found these steps helpful and easy to follow. For more tips and tricks on making the most out of your Squarespace site, feel free to browse our channel. Happy designing!